Okay, we're in this little patio, and what I'm going to do is show the patio and go behind us and walk down the whole one. And we're going to start out this Deutsch vintage. It's a bunch of bags. Travessa. So that's kind of interesting. Looks like you can hang out there, but actually that's not our focus. We just wanted to see what that was. Residential apartment. It's kind of interesting too, right? You can clean that out. Exercise bike. So we're basically just going to walk straight down that way. So let's check it all out. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so we're going to start here at the vintage shop. Then as you can see, there's a giant wall, goes all the way up. Then you got all these apartments all the way above me. And this is this little enclave, right? It's kind of interesting. These people have this space. They got gates, and then they have like little outdoor spaces. Really interesting. You know, the vintage shops, there's two vintage shops right here. There's another purse one too. Both of them have, this one you can sit at, and then this one you can sit at too. So if you want to find some vintage shops, there's two right there, and they can sit. Some people in there, so I don't want to keep, but let's just kind of walk out of our street or our patio. So Macau is quite beautiful that it has all these patios like this, and they're basically so cool. Macau. They look so cool because you know, you kind of get away from the street, and then you can put, like some of them have those chairs at those two vintage shops, right? So sometimes you can sit outside if, you know, if they allow it. Actually, that one right there looks like you could. Another coffee shop. So there's a lot of stuff on some of these. This is actually a factory. They're actually producing some, wow, it's kind of cool. So those are little snacks. Let's go down more into here. So I think this is another dead-end alley. Some of these shops are closed. It's actually Macau holiday where the schools are closed. The Mirror, Yoga, Chakra, Aroma. Interesting. But it's closed. There's a coffee shop, Patio de Fortuna, Patata. Huh. It's kind of cool too. Okay, easy drop. And actually you'd be kind of surprised how close we are to Sao Paulo ruins. So we're just in this little shop, little flower shop. That's a cool little space there. How cool that looks. And that's the other corner that we were at. So we were just up there, up those steps a little bit. And you can see that I went to a dead end. And then you'll be surprised when I come out, because Sao Paulo ruins is to the right. This Macau shop just closed. It was open just a little while ago, but it just closed. The reason this is here is because this is a pretty popular tourist area. That's why. Travessa de Fortuna. So they sell all these things. This little shop right there. That's our street right there. That's kind of a beautiful window. And now we're kind of looking down Sao Paulo ruins. Quite beautiful. And that's our Travessa de Fortuna. Straight that way. What we're going to do next is show you where we go up to Sao Paulo ruins, which is straight ahead. And yeah, you're going to like this a lot, that, you know, we're so close like this. I guess I haven't filmed that little Travessa before. This is my first time in it. I should probably film more of those. Okay, and there's Sao Paulo ruins straight ahead. We're gonna go walk to the base of it, and then we'll kind of connect it to that alley, and then you can also see all the tourist stuff that's along the way. Fortune Lane. I guess it's called Fortune Lane, Travessa de Fortune. And here's Sao Paulo ruins up here. Okay. Okay. So let's just go up to the base. Now we can see Sao Paulo ruins all the way straight ahead. I'm just gonna walk up to the steps a little bit and then we'll turn around and we'll be able to view the Sao Paulo ruins. And let's kind of take a look. So we basically were in one of those little alleys right there. So we basically came down that alley and then came straight up this way towards Sao Paulo ruins. And we'll end it right there.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha.
Let's go check out the room. Oh, hey guys. 3 things. Like, subscribe, make some comments below. It'll really help out my channel. Alright.
Chiquinha, Chiquinha. Toma cuidado da bovidinha.